Hi kids, how are you? Today we're making bread. Ricky, are you ready? Yes, let's get started. What do we need first? I know, milk. Here's the milk. Boys and girls, what is it? Yes, it's milk. Milk, milk, milk. Do you like milk? I like milk. I like milk. Milk, milk, milk. That's right. Come on, Coco. Boys and girls, what are these? Yes, that's right. They're eggs. Eggs, eggs, eggs. Do you like eggs? I like eggs. One more time. Eggs, eggs, eggs. Well done. Come on, let's add the eggs. Isn't that cool? Eggs, eggs, eggs.
Cool, cool. Eggs, eggs, eggs.
Wow! Look at this! So cool! Now it's time to bake the bread. Oh, the bread is ready. It looks so good. Oh, careful, Coco. It's hot. Boys and girls, what's this? Yes, it's bread. Bread, bread, bread. Do you like bread? I like bread. Bread, bread, bread. Do you like bread? I like bread. Delicious. Does it taste good, Coco?
Oh no!
Oh no, my bread. Oh, my bread.
Woohoo! It's so yummy.
Oh, Ricky, please can I try one? Oh, come on, share. Wait. Oh, bye-bye, boys and girls. See you next time. Bye-bye.